Lips are considered one of the most basic features that define the human face and expressions. Lips give the ultimate beauty to your face. However, not everyone has healthy and pink lips. The texture and color of your lips reveal a lot about your health as well as lifestyle. When the face is beautiful, why detract the allure with chapped, dark, and dry lips? With just a little bit of care, you will get your pink lips without using of any harmful drugs or artificial expensive beauty products. This video of home remedies on how to get pink lips fast and naturally will help you gain luscious and attractive lips within just a week right at your home. Moisturizer your lips. Chapped and dry lips reduce your attraction, and if not treated properly and at the right time, it might lead to dark and pigmented lips. It's important to keep lip balm handy and apply it frequently throughout the day, especially in dry weather. Lip balms are also addictive, thus, you should opt for them wisely. You had better avoid petroleum-based lip balms because they do not turn out beneficial in the long term. Before buying lip balms, you should check for the ingredients such as candle wax, natural beeswax, glycerin, vitamin E, almond oil. Another simple way to moisturize your lips is using vitamin E oil. Keep your lips hydrated. Apart from moisturizing your lips with lip balm, it is also important for you to keep your lips hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Dehydrated lips often look dark and dull. Thus, you need to keep yourself hydrated to fight dry lips. In fact, internal dehydration is as important as external application of moisture. Exfoliate your lips. When it comes to how to get pink lips, exfoliating the lips is an essential step. Prepare a paste including honey, rose petals, and cucumber. Mix it a good paste. Then, add 1 teaspoon of milk to that paste before applying the mixture to the lips. This scrub will help you abolish dead skin cells and dirt on the lips, thereby giving it a pinkish look. Another method you can make use of to get pink lips is using a toothbrush and honey for exfoliating the lips. This will remove the impurities and dirt which make the lips look dark. On the other hand, honey will deeply moisturize lips, getting people softer and pinkish lips at home naturally. Aside from this, you should clean the lips every day, at night by using rose water. You can also take a cotton ball and dip it into the rose water. Gently rub it in order to eliminate the darkness from the lips. Massage. The next way on how to get pink lips at home is massage. It is pointed out that massage can increase blood circulation in the lips. It makes the lips more reddish. Apart from this, you can also apply ice cubes to massage the lips. Take an ice cube, then rub it gently on your lips. By applying this method, you will relax the muscles of the lips and keep them beautiful. It is considered to be one of the most popular beauty tips for women that you can apply right now. Scrub your lips. Lip scrubbing can help you get rid of dead cells. There are many ways of scrubbing lips, yet the most common and effective method that women often use is to apply a sugar lip scrub. Do this by mixing some granulated sugar with petroleum jelly or lip balm. Mix it well and apply it on your lips. While scrubbing, do it in a circular motion and then wipe off with a wet cloth or cotton pad. You will get baby soft kissable lips quickly. Rose petals for pink lips. If you are looking for some home remedies for pink lips, you can take advantage of rose petals. Crush some rose petals, then add a teaspoon of honey. If you have pigmented lips, you should add a teaspoon of milk powder to this mixture. You should apply this mixture on your lips for about 10 to 15 minutes before wiping off with a damp cotton pad. After that, apply the lip balm. Home remedies for reddish lips. You can use some easy-to-find ingredients to make your lips red. Here are some natural methods you can use. Massage your lips with aloe vera gel to get rid of dry lips and lighten your lip complexion. The antioxidants in aloe vera gel are very effective in lightening dark lips. Use lemon as a natural cleanser for your lips. Also, using lemon will make your lips look pink. Citric acid in lemon often acts as a bleaching agent for the skin on the lips. Just take lemon juice and apply it on your lips. You can use orange as a substitute. Another tip on how to get pink lips is to use a milk cream. It is rich in nutrients and moisture which will help you to lighten the complexion of the lips. Just make a mixture of some milk cream and rose petals to get rid of black lips. Allow the mixture to cool in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes before applying it to your lips. Leave this mixture on your lips for 15 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water. Another home remedy to get pink lips is olive oil, cucumbers, or beets and carrots. You can get pink lips at home in just 1 week by using them. Avoid sun exposure. Sun rays might be one of the culprits of darkening of the lips. Sun exposure will increase the excess melanin pigment in the lips. So, it is important for you to deal with the ultraviolet rays by using lipsticks to protect from the sun. Use good cosmetics. Did you know that using the wrong lipsticks can darken your lips? In other words, using too much lipstick as well as other artificial cosmetics on your lips is really harmful. This is due to the presence of unhealthy and corrosive chemicals in them. Prolonged and excessive use of cosmetics, especially those of low quality, can lead to pigmentation on the lips. You should use cosmetics that contain healthy and natural extracts like shea butter, jojoba and pomegranate seed oil to protect your lips naturally. Lipsticks and lip gloss should preferably be wiped off with natural oils such as almond or coconut oil. Also check the expiry date of your cosmetic before use as it can cause severe allergic reactions. Eat a healthy diet. Following a healthy and nutritious diet that includes plenty of vegetables and fruits is a good home remedy to get healthy, pink lips. You should consume foods that are high in vitamin C like carrots, strawberries and oranges, as this vitamin will naturally moisturize your lips and reduce pigmentation. Therefore, it is important to have a diet rich in vitamins. Avoid chlorine contact. In fact, chlorinated water is also a cause of dark lips and pigmentation. You should avoid getting your lips in contact with chlorinated water. These are the top 11 tips on how to get pink lips that you can implement right now at your home with just a few simple steps. This way, I bet your lips will turn red quickly and naturally. Leave your words below this to let us know your thoughts.